Hello, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Banker Realty in the Luxe Service Group. I am here today at Beneducci Vineyards, one of my favorite local spots in Hunterdon County. Beneducci Vineyards in Alexandria Township not only has fabulous wine, but also outdoor entertainment. In fact, this is where we hosted our VIP Client Appreciation event last year. Wouldn't it be amazing to live so close to such a gorgeous venue? Let's head on over to 37 Shy Creek Road.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. And we can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down.